The airline industry aims to keep planes in the air as much as possible, primarily for economic reasons. Here are the key factors. Let's delve into the economic reasons behind this strategy. First, revenue maximization. The primary revenue source for airlines is the fare paid by passengers. The more flights an aircraft operates, the more passengers it can carry, thereby generating more revenue. In addition to passenger revenue, airlines also earn money by transporting cargo. More flights mean more opportunities to carry freight and increase overall income. Next, let's talk about cost efficiency. Airlines incur significant fixed costs, such as aircraft leases or loan payments, insurance, and staff salaries. These costs are constant regardless of how much the plane flies. Maximizing flight hours helps spread these fixed costs over more flights, reducing the cost per flight and per passenger. Moreover, airports charge fees for parking aircraft. Keeping planes in the air minimizes these ground fees. Moving on to operational efficiency. First, utilization rates. Aircraft are expensive assets. High utilization rates mean getting the most out of the investment in each aircraft. An aircraft sitting on the ground is essentially an underutilized asset. Furthermore, keeping planes flying also ensures that the crew, pilots, flight attendants, and others is efficiently utilized. Idle aircraft mean idle crew, which is not cost-effective. Maintenance schedules are critical for airline operations. Aircraft require regular maintenance checks, which are scheduled based on flight hours and cycles. Efficient scheduling ensures that these maintenance checks align with operational needs, minimizing downtime. By keeping planes in the air as much as possible and scheduling maintenance during off-peak times, airlines can better manage fleet availability and reduce unscheduled maintenance disruptions. High utilization allows airlines to offer more frequent flights, which can be a significant competitive advantage. Frequent service is attractive to both business and leisure travelers who prefer flexibility and convenience. Maintaining a strong presence on key routes helps airlines capture and maintain market share, which is crucial for long-term profitability and competitiveness. Airlines using a hub-and-spoke model benefit from high aircraft utilization as planes continuously shuttle between hub airports and various destinations, optimizing the network's efficiency. Low-cost airlines in particular strive to maximize aircraft utilization. They often have quicker turnaround times at airports to keep their planes flying more frequently, which is a core part of their business model to keep costs low and fares competitive. Keeping planes in the air as much as possible is driven by the need to maximize revenue, reduce costs, ensure efficient utilization of assets and crew, maintain competitive advantages, and manage operational efficiency. High aircraft utilization helps airlines spread fixed costs, avoid parking fees, offer frequent service, and optimize their investment in expensive aircraft, contributing to overall profitability and sustainability in the highly competitive airline industry.